What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to 303 Streets. Today we are doing a light bulb on the car. Nissan Rogue, a 2015. I think it's a S all-wheel drive. It's a Select. So Nissan Rogue Select, a 2015. So these are the light bulbs that you'll use to replace your blinker, which is up here, which is what we just did. So you're gonna have a 10 millimeter bolt here and here, and then there's gonna be 3 clips that hold it down. So you're gonna want to pry on the bottom left corner first, and you'll hear the pop, and then you'll have to pry right here and down here, and that will pop the remaining 2. So there's that one, and the one down there. Those lock in right there, there, and down there. So that's how you replace it. And then to get it out, you will just twist and then pull it out. And then to lock it back in, lock it in. And then the light just pulls in and out when you're plugging it in and taking it out. So then when you go to put it back, line everything up, you should just be able to push it back in and it should click back in. But I'm gonna use 2 hands to do that just to make sure we don't damage anything. But as you can see, it'll line right up back there, and we'll just push it in. So, and then just put the 2 10 millimeter bolts back and you should be good. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Like, subscribe, and have a great day. Thank you.